Regular, hi. Streaming because I'm bored. I want to work on my games myself while live because I can. Hmm. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be coding too, and I will be able to see the chat because it's actually just opened on my phone. So the only viewer that's watching right now is just me on my phone, so I can see the chat. Okay, I literally just made a tutorial on something in this game, which is the bloom. Pretty cool. Let me make sure I can hear myself. Okay, yep, I can hear you. You can hear me. That's cool. That's good. That's pretty good. So, well, um, I'm probably gonna add object script. Okay, but first I'm gonna have to have zone. Where's the main camera? Here it is. Well, I might like make a boundaries like you can only have something in within the certain boundary. That'd be pretty cool. I might make that zone. Let me rotate it so I can get a shadow there. Ooh, okay, yeah, good, good, good. Yeah, wait, this is supposed to be in front. Right there, right there. Perfect. Okay, now it's in front. I actually have not much clues of what to add. Where did the canvas go? Oh, do I have to edit it right here? Okay, that's fine with me. Like, right. Cute. Okay, so I might make a left panel sometime. But first, I really want to work on the objects area because I literally I have nothing here. Almost nothing. Do you see? So now I will add UI and then a button. Alright, I can't zoom in much. That's gonna be great. Cube. Basic cube. I can't zoom in at all, I don't like it. I might actually just not do that. But then if I do overlay, then it's gonna be this, and there's not gonna be any bloom on it, which I like bloom. First. Yeah, man, I want it to be I want it to be like 100 so I can actually edit it a lot better. See, I can zoom in a lot better. I want to have it editing like this. But if I can't, first. First. Going with my that. Oh. Everything. What the heck? Okay. I might have to do it like this. Although it looks pretty ugly, I'm gonna have to do it like this. Sadly. I just gotta zoom in there. Okay, so back to what I was doing. Basic button. Why do I name it button? Cute. We'll get my material onto here. And this. So I can look like that. Boom, basic cube. The button. Actually, I might make it this. And then just scale down the text. Basic cube. How many can I fit in a room? Two. Maybe three. No. But if I move over the scroll bar to be right there. Setting area, handle. There it is. Oh, perfect. Okay, that's pretty good. So now we got three buttons. I'll do basic something. Basic sphere. Basic. Basic cylinder. How do you spell cylinder again? I have completely lost one. Cylinder. Let me get my fact checking stuff. Very factual checking. Wow. Ah, that's how you spell it. I'm not funny. Cylinder. Oh. Oh, I have capitals. So then you can scroll, you will be able to scroll in settings and click on that. Okay, I like that. Basic cube, basic sphere, and basic cylinder. Okay. Basic sphere. I will test it. So closing out of it doesn't work right now. Extras will be like extra objects. Okay, objects. Objects. One click. This thing. Game object. Set active. False. No, true. Back finish will be objects. Set active. False. Extras. Settings. Scroll view. Report. Content. Enable extras. This one will be like what's here. Game object. Set active. True. Stop. Okay, now I will test it. Oh wait, I should also make that fix that. This one, game object set active. What is this? I'm supposed to disable that. Set active. Okay. So now you can only have one, hopefully. This one will also disable the text. No, I think it's actually right. Yep. Set active. Set active. So, okay. I will just fell back in my chair. This should disable. Wow. Oh, that's because it's a button, I think. It might be a button. If it's a toggle, then it should just this one image active. bye. Alright, I'm adding another one. This one, toggle. Struts. Actually, wait, no, I can just duplicate this and like struts. If this doesn't work, I'm going to have to code it myself. So if there's this thing here, then I have to make it myself. Okay, I'll make the script myself because it won't work. Because UI enable button toggle button I'm back. My microphone would pick up for like half a minute. But that was some good food. So just reloading domain, by the way. Just gotta give it a minute. I might get off VR. I might get on VR and end the stream there. Okay. So what was that? Doing the extras. Okay. I'm just gonna be using Unity and Engine.ui. Public toggle. So public game object is toggle bubble object. And then here, just for the fun of it, should be using TM Pro. So I can get text mesh for public text mesh row UGY. It's gonna be the text. It has to be uppercase so I can put the dot text after it, so it doesn't get confused. Public is off at okay. So now I will, whenever it starts, it will go into the toggle. So go toggle dot toggle button dot is, and then will have to go. It will go into the is on thing, and then it will be equal to the is off at start, which of course will be. Oh wait, it has to be on at start. Is on at start. And it will usually be set to false. So now that it checked it and then it set its is on into is on start. Then now the game, no wait, the toggleable 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 object that's set active toggle button dot is on. So every single frame is on start. So that. Oh, now it works. Okay. So then also every single frame, if toggle object is equal, no, toggle object, no, toggle button dot is on equals true. And then we're gonna have to do text dot text equals extras disabled. Actually, wait. Public string disabled text equals object is disabled. Let me just copy and paste this. Object is enabled. Lift text. No, wait, enabled. Then also at the same time, if this is false, then the text will be disabled text. Pretty easy. So here, I'm gonna explain it. So all of these you set in the editor or inspector. Then whenever it starts, it checks if in is on at start is on or off. If it is on, then this turns on. But if it's not on, then this doesn't turn on. So it basically just checks if this is on and it sets it to this. So it sets this active every single frame. It checks it says is it on? And if it says no, it will set active false. But then if it says yes, then it will be visible. And then if toggle button that is on is true, so if this is true, so if the button is on, then it sets the text to the enabled text. But if it's not on, then it sets it to the disabled text. And that's every single frame. Checks, says no, okay, disabled text, go. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple stuff. So yeah. By the way, this project, I might publish it. If you guys want me to, I could. This is really just to test my knowledge on coding and train for coding. So yeah. There we go. Extras, boom. See, is on at start, I will turn it off, then it will turn this off. So you don't have to change anything there. Toggle button, that one, toggleable object. It will be extras. And then the text. Wait, what does it say whenever it says bloom is disabled and bloom is disabled? Okay, it doesn't overlap. That's good. Text there is on that start. I don't want it to be on. extras are disabled, and extras are enabled. Okay, hopefully this works, because it feels like it would. It feels like this will work, and I think it will work. Okay, does it work though? Okay, here. Okay, so I'm gonna disable this. Is on at start. False. So then start, and now it should say its extras are enabled. What if I put is enabled is on at start? What if I put that on? Okay, that doesn't look like it's gonna work. If it does. Okay, here, I'm just gonna remove is on at start, because honestly, you could just do that yourself pretty quickly. Equals false. So whenever it starts, we literally don't need this. So every frame, it just goes into every frame. It asks, yeah, so it should still work. It should work. Oh, wait, don't I have to put double equals check? Yes, I do. Because you need the double equals check booleans, I think. So extras will be disabled. There's another guy watching. Okay. Extras are enabled. I don't want. Ah, darn it. Okay. So I gotta see what's going on. Okay. Is it already enabled? No, it's not. So if it's on, then it says this. But if it's off, then say this. I don't see anything wrong with that. There's no errors. So if this button is on always, so every single time it checks. So toggle auto set active. Okay, maybe I could just be true. Yeah, this to be false. Okay. I'm hoping this works. Oh shoot, I didn't realize you can't even see Visual Studio. You can't even see the code I'm Okay, well uh, should be picking it. It shouldn't actually be applying it. Okay, there we go. Mixers are enabled. Go back. Objects. Mixtures will be enabled. Settings. Mixtures off. Mixtures off. Let's go. Now I know no one's watching this, probably. But if somehow you are, like let's say somebody reposted this, then thank you for reposting it, creator, and thank you for watching this. I'm glad this stood out enough for you to actually watch it. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on basic cube, basic sphere, and basic cylinder. This is gonna be the basic cube. Wow, right? Amazing. Rigid body 3D. No, there's no 3D. Rigid body. Folder. Objects. No. Shh. I will make the code afterwards. I will try to learn how to do a drag and drop thing. So you can like drag and drop and then drop the cube, and the cube goes down there. I really want it to be like an animation so that it like rotates left, right, whenever you're holding it, and then particles go out whenever you drop it. It'd be pretty cool, I hope.